Whoever says being a stay-at-home mom is not work is delusional. It is a very hard job that is unpaid. I was a stay-at-home mom for many years, and I got tired of relying on my husband's money, and I've always been working since I was 16. So I created my own business, a cleaning business. I wanted to get back into the workforce, and even though I was a substitute teacher here and there, I wanted my own money to provide for my family. And that's what I did. I created my own business. I created my own hours. And even though I loved being a stay-at-home mom, I'm still their mom. It hasn't changed. I still need to come home every day and take care of my family after I take care of my clients' families. So to all the moms out there, rock on with your badass selves. Don't ever feel ashamed for taking care of your family, because family comes first. And even if you're a working mom and not a stay-at-home mom, you're still a badass anyway. So do what you have to do to take care of your family. Moms are amazing.